Okay, so let's talk about your new firm, 26 North. Where did you get that name from?
So it's a funny story. I hired a branding agency and spent a lot of money, and then they came up with 5 horrible names, and I threw all those in the trash and named it myself. So when I left Apollo, I wasn't necessarily going to start another alternatives firm, but I realized that the big firms have built, Carlyle amongst them, Apollo, Blackstone, KKR, TPG, have built these incredible investing ecosystems, but many of them had gotten so big and become public companies, and they were sort of the beta of alts. They're so big that they need to, get into very big areas, pools of capital, and what had been left a little bit behind was alpha, really being the alpha of alts, and and so we decided that we could bring. I decided that I could create a firm that had big firm capabilities, that had all the trappings of a big firm. In our case, it's an integrated platform with debt and insurance, and it's an alpha creation team led by someone who left McKinsey, incredible talent, and apply it against the middle market and the upper middle market, and do it with a lot more alignment where I'm the largest investor, and everyone who's joining is not necessarily getting paid as much cash, but they're really going to benefit if the investors benefit.
How much money have you raised and put into the firm so far?
It's gone really well. We're at $23 billion after 24 months, and which is beyond my wildest expectation. We have 125 people, and it's an amazing culture, amazing people. People have really jumped on the bandwagon, and now I'm hard at work trying to create alpha.